Want to turn your clutter into cash and reach millions of potential buyers online? Let's dive into how to use PayPal to sell your items like a pro. First, if you don't already have one, you'll need to create a PayPal business account. Head over to PayPal's website and click Sign Up. Choose the business account option. This will give you access to features specifically designed for selling. You'll be prompted for your email address, business details, and a little about yourself. Make sure to provide accurate information as this will be used for verification and tax reporting. Now that you're set up, let's get to the money. To get paid, you'll primarily use the Request Money feature or create a PayPal link. A PayPal link lets you easily share a URL with potential buyers, enabling them to pay you directly. To create a PayPal link, go to the PayPal section in your account, choose your desired link name, and customize your profile. Share this link wherever you're selling your item on marketplaces, social media, or even in email. If you're selling on a platform like eBay or Etsy, you'll often integrate PayPal directly into your product listings. This makes it easy for buyers to pay with a simple click. Look for the PayPal option when setting up your payment methods on those platforms. Next, manage your shipping options. Calculate shipping costs and offer different shipping speeds to attract more buyers. Be transparent about your shipping policies. Finally, keep a close eye on your transactions. Within your PayPal account, the activity page gives you a detailed overview of all incoming and outgoing payments, helping you manage your finances effectively. With these steps, you're ready to sell your items online securely and efficiently with PayPal.